The first meal my husband ever cooked for me. I still remember how it tastes. Let me show you how I make it. So I'm gonna make some carrot juice, okay? Pure vanilla extract, freshly grated nutmeg, about half teaspoon, pinch of salt. Now we're gonna add some sweetened condensed milk. Is it a you walk or is it a you talk? My body's in trouble. So you're gonna taste and adjust the taste. Oh, this would have been cute if I leave the tail on. Oh, that would have been cute. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm just cutting them in the joint, okay? See, so we're cutting them like this. You can cut them however you want to cut them, okay? I've already washed these. I'm using Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Gonna lightly season the lobster. Lightly, okay? Some garlic powder. Now we're gonna put this to marinate, okay? That song is stuck in my head. Tell me cuando. Garlic, pimento berries, coconut milk, and some carrots and pumpkin. Cover for about 10 minutes. And you also want to crush a few pumpkins. Add in the saltfish or codfish, cabbage, ackee, I'm gonna add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, scallion and thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. Combine. Now you're gonna taste and adjust to taste. I'm gonna add some salt to mine. Cover for the next 10 minutes. Add your washed rice. Cover and allow it to steam for 15 to 25 minutes. Add some oil to the pot. Curry powder. Onions, garlic, piece of crushed ginger, I like to add green bell peppers for the freshness, coconut milk, pimento berries, scallion and thyme, cover for about 15 minutes on low heat. And add the lobster. And I'm gonna cook these for about 6 to 8 minutes. Add your scotch bonnet pepper. All done. All done. Ooh. Ooh. And I know some people like their chili, but if a seasoned rice don't look like this, don't give me none. Bear in mind, this seasoned rice can eat by itself, the way it's good. I had seasoned rice once before he made it, but I'm telling you, he kind of put me on to eat it. I said, no man, the boy I know what I do. The boy I know. When we eat it, I said, no man, the boy I know what I do. We'll just get up and just make seasoned rice for you. Some thought after behind it, not true? So if it's just the seasoned rice, and then when I see him cook the lobster too, I said, lobster. Yeah, I think I may cook first. Like I him actually cook first. I think I him actually cook first. Very cute. Adding some string beans.